Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting Panda VPN installed and logged in. This is crucial because authentication and secure tunnels must be active before Epic connects. Once done, make sure Epic is closed and no other VPN or proxy is running, since conflicts cause route issues. Next, pick a nearby VPN server region to reduce ping and packet loss. This matters for downloads and matchmaking. You'll also verify your OS network adapter permissions so Panda can create its virtual interface without interruption. Now you configure routing so Epic traffic uses Panda VPN while other apps can bypass it. Split tunneling prevents unnecessary latency and reduces disconnections. If you need maximum speed, switch protocol to UDP or WireGuard. These handle gaming packets better. Test protocol changes with 1 or 2 short sessions to observe stability. If you see name resolution delays, change the VPN DNS to a fast resolver inside Panda settings. This often resolves slow store or launcher responses. Finally, connect Panda VPN to your selected server and then launch the Epic launcher. Order matters because the client binds to the active network route at startup. Once in, confirm region and ping numbers. Watch download throughput and matchmaking behavior for 5-10 minutes to ensure consistency. If you encounter errors or the store won't load, disconnect and reconnect Panda, switch protocols, or run a DNS flush command, ipconfig/flushtons, to clear stale records. This typically resolves common connectivity hitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.